Beginner's Guide to Stud Bolts in Mining. Where stud bolts are used in mines, flanged piping and valves, crushers and mills, structural connections. Why stud bolts are critical. The right stud bolts can mean the difference between uptime and downtime, prevent leaks and mechanical failure, withstand high pressure and heat, allow safe, repeatable maintenance. Common grades and coatings. Choosing the right grade and coating ensures long service life underground or in plants. ASTM A193B7 for high tensile strength, stainless steel for corrosion resistance, zinc or hot dip galvanized coatings. Nkap bolting, trusted by mines. At Nkap bolting, we supply mining grade stud bolts, fast, reliable, and built to last, stocked locally across Southern Africa. High tensile, corrosion resistant quality on time, every time.